This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the antenna on your Chevy Silverado. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. Before we begin, make sure you have all your tools ready, including your new antenna and a suitable wrench. Parking your truck on a level surface will make the process even smoother. Let's get started with this quick and simple upgrade. Now, let's remove the old antenna. First, find the antenna base, usually located on the front fender or sometimes on the roof of your Silverado. Take your adjustable wrench and carefully turn the antenna counterclockwise to loosen it. Once it's loose enough, you can finish unscrewing it by hand. Be gentle to avoid damaging the base. It should come off quite easily. With the old antenna removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully align the threads of the new antenna with the base on your Silverado. Begin by hand tightening it clockwise until you feel it's secure. Then, use your wrench to give it a gentle snug. Remember, you don't need to over-tighten it, just make sure it's firm enough to stay in place and function properly. Congratulations, your new antenna is installed. Now, for the final steps. Hop into your Silverado and turn on the radio to test the reception. Make sure all your favorite stations come in clearly. Afterward, give the new antenna and the surrounding area a quick wipe with a clean cloth. For extra security, you might consider applying a small amount of thread locker to prevent it from loosening over time. Enjoy your improved reception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.